Thomas and Friends Noisy Thomas Soundbook. Join Thomas and Bertie for some noisy fun. They puff and burr until the day is gone. Thomas passes Bertie on a country lane. Brr, says Bertie, I wish I could be a train. So Thomas takes Bertie on a railway tour. Brr, says Bertie, I can't wait to explore. Puff goes Thomas as he steams up Gordon's Hill. Brr goes Bertie, who is having such a thrill. But Bertie should have picked up Dowagger hat. In all the excitement, he'd forgotten that. Puff Thomas drives along the shaky bridge track. Brr, Bertie wobbles and falls off the back. Now they're in trouble. What can they do? Whoosh, Harold comes to help the stranded two. Whoosh, Harold lifts up Bertie just like that. Brr, Puff, off they rush to fetch Dowagger hat. Dowagger hat friends want to join the tour too, so they climb in Bertie and enjoy the view. Puff Thomas takes them to see the sights, and on the misty island they fly colorful kites. Puff, then Thomas takes them home to bed. Thank you, Thomas. What fun, Bertie said. Bertie and Thomas had lots of fun today, and Bertie's taking Thomas on a road tour soon. Hooray!